For we are to God the fragrance of Christ. 2 Corinthians 2 verse 15. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Tokwe and this is Top Notes by Tokwe. On this channel we have fragrance related content, so if you like that, I will be elated if you subscribe to my channel. And when you do, don't forget to like and comment and also share because it helps my channel. Today in the video, I have 4 fragrances. I'm going to do an unboxing, first impressions for you. It's 4 fragrances that I hauled in, and these fragrances are Lattafa fragrances. So if you're interested in knowing what the 4 fragrances are, without much ado, let's get into the video. Welcome back. You made it to the video. So I have 4 fragrances, and I just wanted to give like a bit of a disclaimer. When I say first impression, it's not really like a first impression, it's not really like an unboxing, because usually I've opened the box off camera. If you follow me on Instagram at Top Notes by T, usually I share some of my unboxing videos there. So I would have unboxed it and then I would have played with it for just a couple of days, sometimes weeks, just to give me a true impression of the fragrance, because sometimes just spritzing it on camera, the heat around the filming situation kind of makes the DNA and some of the nuances that you pick of the fragrance change. So that is why I do that. It's very long, so let me just first go through. I'm going to start from my least favorite ones, and then I'm going to work my way up. So, and also Lattafa, it is a United Arab Emirates perfume brand. It's been popular for some great fragrances like their Ragba Wood Intense, etc. So they're quite known in the fragrance community. They produce very good fragrances, but the price points are just super affordable. And most of the time, their fragrances are said to be clones of mainstream designer or niche fragrances. So let's start. The first fragrance I have for you is this one here. It's called Riyadh. It's this beautiful box here. It's blue and gold, very lovely box. As you can see, I really like the box. And can you see? It's so pretty, yet it is on my least favorite. So this, I really like this. It's not looking well. Let me turn it properly. So this is how it looks. Oh, top there. I don't know why they paid so much school fees for me, yet I get silly. So this is how it looks. Very pretty. So it closes like that, opens like so. So this is Riyadh. It's a very nice bottle, and this is Riyadh Luxe. It's a 100 ml bottle. It sits, so when you, the thing that it sits in is like a velvety thing, very beautiful. And then I want to spritz. So this fragrance is citrus floral musk, a tad bit of oud. I almost cannot smell the oud, maybe some incense. So what I get from this is citrus, florals, musk, and some oud. I feel like, and it's on the base, there's some form of amber in it, I think so. It's a tad bit sweet, so I want to believe that there's some vanilla in it. I mean, Arabian fragrances always have like vanilla in it or some kind of oriental thing in it. So this is either amber or vanilla, but it's very sweet, it's very powdery, it's citrus fruity, sweet and powdery. It's okay. And then it has musk. The musk gives it that powdery. There's definitely musk in here, but the thing about this is that it's okay, but I don't really like it. It kind of, I was hoping to really love it, but it's a beautiful fragrance, but it's just not anything special for me. It smells super mainstream. I would compare this with, what would I compare this with? It's super mainstream, like it gives me vibes of like fancy, you know, a floral, maybe like a white floral citrus, you know. It gives me vibes of a typical celebrity fragrance, just that this is powdery, it's musky. So that is it. It's not anything complicated. It's a dumb rich kind of fragrance. I know that it's mainstream. This one is a blind buy approved. If you're not one that your nose is avant-garde and is looking for something complex, this is a blind buy approved fragrance. I'm kind of sweating because I have 3 lights on for some strange reasons. I turned on all my studio lights today, so I'm melting away, but we're getting through it. So this that's how this is, but it's very nice. I like the minimalistic thing going for it, but it's not one of my favorites. I don't know. I sprayed it on today to go and walk. It was okay. I went for a walk this morning, and then I sprayed it on, and when I went for my walk, it's okay. I think if that is what it would do for me. I think it's too powdery and sweet. I don't know, man, but this is it. The next one that I have is Musk Mood. If you've watched my other videos on Lattafa, I got the Oud Mood in different variants, and then one of you recommended this for me. I was very apprehensive of getting this because I don't like musk. Musk and leather are 2 notes in fragrances that I find super challenging. So, but I just went ahead and I got this. So it looks like this. It looks just like Oud Mood, just that this one has a white ribbon, and I don't care for the ribbon at all. I've said that in a couple of my videos. I don't care about the ribbon. So this one starts with citrus, it's floral, it has musk, it has vanilla, then I feel like it has more musk. So it's a musky fragrance, but I don't like musk because of how it gets powdery. There's something about the powderiness of musk that I don't like. So this fragrance on its own is beautiful. It's very beautiful. I see it as something that would take on layering very well, but because I'm not a lover, it's a beautiful, soft, floral, musky fragrance. Yet because I'm not a lover of musk, honestly, I really don't care about it. It's just, it is beautiful. I won't lie, it is a very beautiful fragrance, but I don't like musk, so I don't really care for it. I'm hoping that I can find, like, it's so beautiful, it's so nice, but I don't like musk. And then a little times it gets a bit like slightly animalic, slightly, but yet powdery. Well, I don't like this. I think this one should have even come before this. Honestly, I feel like Oud Mood should have come before this. I tolerate this even better. So the next one that I like is this one, and this is called Shuyukh. I think it's Shuyukh or something. I don't know. I'm going to put the spelling there, but it has the picture of the Sheikh. I don't know if you can see. It might reflect, but I hope you can see. There's a picture of the Sheikh, and then it slips out of the sleeve like this to expose. I said slip, but we're struggling to expose this beautiful gold box outer case that says Sheikh Shuyukh. Yeah, Shuyukh. Sheikh Shuyukh. I think it's Sheikh Shuyukh. Yeah, Sheikh Shuyukh. And I probably am butchering the name. It says limited edition Luxe. So we have 2 Luxe fragrances, or 2 fragrances with the name Luxe. This one for me is, so this one is, this one is sweet oud, vanilla, praline, slight woodiness in it, some spice like maybe cinnamon or cardamom in it. Very nice. This reminds me of Oud Mood, but this is a sweeter version of Oud Mood. The dry down smells so much to me like Oud Bouquet. It has that Oud Bouquet kind of feel, low budget Oud Bouquet. That is how this one smells. Super sweet. So there's some praline, there's some, I mean, there could be sugar. And as it begins to dry down, it gets smoky. So there's definitely some incense there. I smell some sandalwood, I think, in there. But it's very nice, smoky, but not too dark. So it's a brighter version of Oud Mood, brighter and sweeter. And then this is a beast fragrance. It lasts and lasts and lasts. Honestly, it's fantastic. So I tried it on a few times, usually when I was going for school runs, and man, it's a great fragrance. It's very nice. I've been I have been anticipating this because at a certain point I couldn't put my finger on it anywhere, so I got it. It's very nice. It's from the top, it smells like oud bouquet, that, you know, a sweeter version, less oudy version. It's beautiful. It's just well rounded. This one is it's good. It's you smell like the wife of a rich Middle Eastern prince. So you're a princess. Very nice, very, very nice. Like, you smell like the wife of the Sheikh here. It smells really good. And even the Sheikh himself too uses it. Like, whatever happens, you smell very rich with this, and it's super beautiful. I don't have it. It's just that if you're not one that likes super sweet fragrances, stay away from this. This is sweet. It's very sweet. So if you don't have a fragrance sweet tooth, I don't think this is for you, because this fragrance is sweet. It performs. It has a large sillage. It leaves a scent trail. It is projects and projects and projects, and then it lasts forever, especially on clothes. So the last one I'm about to share, it's one that I really like, but I'm also upset about it because the fragrance to which they cloned, they copied it to the T, as in to the T, and that I'm not a fan of. So this is the one that I'm talking about. This is Lattafa's Oud for Glory. Can you tell me in the comment section which niche fragrance this looks like? I'm even embarrassed. But this one, I was put on to it by a fellow fragrance, or my fragrance brother Zach. Signature Scent Reviews here on YouTube. I'm going to link his channel, and also on Instagram. Check him out. So he asked me that, oh Tope, have you tried this? I was like, no, I'm buying some Lattafa fragrance. I'm going to put it on it. And I did. Man, Zach was right. So it looks like this. I have destroyed my case. It has like, there's like some dent here, if you can see. That's Tope for you. And this thing was supposed to hook up onto this, so it stands. I broke it. It's torn off. It also speaks to the quality. It sits in this box that is velvet, which is good, but this entire box is cardboard. Can you see how I broke it? By playing with it like this. So yeah, let's go into the fragrance. This is a beautiful fragrance. It has top notes of saffron, definitely, because as soon as I spray it, I get the saffron. And you know how I've said this before, that, oh, I didn't show you how it looks. I'm excited to talk about. It looks just like Initio's Oud for Greatness, and this is called Oud for Glory. Like Lattafa, for real. Oud for Greatness, Oud for Glory. The exact design, everything, and strangely, almost I smelled Oud for Glory, Oud for Greatness a long time ago, not too long ago, but when I visited the experience center of Mr. Sendia, I sprayed Oud for Greatness, and the experience is the same, the feeling. So there's saffron, there's some spices. I smell something like cinnamon or nutmeg and some oud, things like that. So I mean, and this thing lasts too long. I don't think I've ever said a fragrance lasts too long, but this thing lasts too long. It lasts on and on and on, and you that is using it gets tired. I can't very much remember what the Oud for Greatness smells like. I can't remember it over the top of my head, but I feel like there's some similarities to it. It's a very beautiful scent, very nice. The oud in it, the saffron in it, makes the beginning very reminiscent of Baccarat Rouge 540. That is the kind of a reminiscence this gives me at the top. It gives me Baccarat vibes, but it is just a beautiful, like, oud, cinnamon, nutmeg, saffron. That's what I get. So beautiful, and it's also sweet. I see some vanilla in the base that makes it sweet, or amber. It's very nice. I actually like it. It's sweet but not like overly gourmandish. So it's a very beautiful fragrance. This is my favorite. I love it. Thank you so much, Zach, for putting me on it. Tell me, comment in the comment section if you have any experience with any of these fragrances. Let me know. I'm going to do an in-depth review of all these fragrances. If there's any particular one that you want me to touch on first, don't hesitate to let me know. Also, my giveaway is still ongoing, so if you haven't partaken in it and you're watching from Nigeria, the giveaway video is linked in the description box. Click on it and then do take a swing at it. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and share, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.